on, Golf R, hold on, stick in, oh yeah. As I traverse through the little maze of my estate. Okay everyone, welcome back to the channel. Little cheeky Sunday POV Golf R. Short one, I would have thought. I'm going to do a couple of short POVs in both cars before I do a which one to buy sort of video. So you know, this is my Golf R. Just done a 3-year review. Got to be careful around these single track roads. Never know who's going to be coming. Can't see anything, can't see anything. Don't know. Okay. Still don't know. Somebody walking and a car. Somebody stopped. Got the racing line intake. I've opened the window a bit. See if you can get a sound of that. Standard exhausts. Four-wheel drive. Don't know what's coming. Everyone in Telford or near Telford. It's a bit uneven. I might have to shut the window a bit. Hard brakes there. That came up very quickly. Times in this car. It's a big old bounce. Okay, into a 30. Good brake. On it, don't let go. Bit uneven again. So I'll do one in the GTI as well, just a short one. I'll probably come this route again, so as a start of a which one to buy, because as I'll say in the video, don't really think you can compare the two cars because they're from different classes. Unless you're tuning up the GTI and making it more sturdy on the road, I don't think these two are comparable as equals. It says road closed, so we might end up coming back the way. Tends to happen if you're out for a drive in your R like this kind of drive anyway. Don't be afraid to put it into the corners as long as you're committed. It'll stay true to you. Wasn't closed, everyone, but there was nothing down there, so I'll just come back just to give you a nice drive. There was a few cars on this one, so we do need to be a bit careful. I could see down there another little bridge here from what I remember. No, I remembered wrong. No, it is. It's a bridge underneath. We're going to go down. Yeah. Little cheeky bridge, everyone. Brakes. That was a funny little 30, but I'll edit through all the 30s. Hold on, Golf R, hold on, stick in. Oh yeah. Stretch to home here. It's mainly straight. I get a bit of power. If you watch the drag racing videos, go back and watch them. That'll flick up in the corner if you did. Then you'll know which this bit of road is. This is where I did the quarter-mile drag down here. Oh my god, I mean, I'm not even out of 6th gear. Yeah, oh, it is a bit of a straight bit this, everyone. There's not many turns in this, but if you like speed, then we're hitting some at the moment. So, quick POV, everyone. I will do the same again in the GTI tomorrow. I'll try and do exactly the same drive. Pump, 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 pump. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I will see you tomorrow.
I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn